What if I told you that being a cybersecurity whiz could make you the superhero of the digital age? Buckle up because we're about to find out why. Hey everyone! Today we're cracking the code on why cybersecurity is the skill set every tech enthusiast, gamer, and yes, even your grandma needs to learn ASAP. First off, think about how much of your day is spent online. From streaming your favorite shows to managing bank accounts, your personal info is zipping through cyberspace nonstop. Now imagine someone sneaky snatching that info right out of thin air. Scary, right? That's where cybersecurity swoops in. Learning cybersecurity isn't just about safeguarding your data. It's about understanding the nuts and bolts that keep the internet running smoothly. Ever wondered how websites defend themselves against attacks? Or how data stays safe when it travels from your phone to the cloud? Well, this is your ticket to finding out. And here's the kicker: jobs. The demand for cyber pros is skyrocketing. Companies are on a treasure hunt for people who can outsmart cyber bad guys. Learning this could not only protect you, but also catapult your career into new heights. So whether you're looking to shield your online shopping spree or aiming for a gig in Silicon Valley, cybersecurity is your golden key. Ready to become a cyber sentinel? Let's get started and unlock the power of protection in the digital world. Alternate closing. Don't wait until it's too late. Become a guardian of the digital galaxy today. Dive into cybersecurity and let's make the internet a safer place together. Are you in?